Welcome to your 5-minute Pilates workout. It's quick, it's easy, and you could do it. Let's all get ready for the new decade, 2020. Do it together. Working on our abs. We're going to start in mermaid, sitting on the sides of your hips. That's it. Stretch it out and to the other side. Great for the waistline, great for your back. We're going to really focus on the core muscles. Side to side, stretch it out. Last one. Stretch and to the side. Beautiful. And let's begin right here. Strengthen your spine by lifting one leg and the opposite arm. Lift it up, hold it, pull your abs in. Strengthen the abs, the core muscle, the center. That's it. And pull your elbow to your knee, pull in and stretch it out. One more, pull it in and stretch it out. And switch. First, hold the position. That's it. Lengthen your neck, lengthen your legs, stretch your arms. Inhale here and exhale as your knee comes towards your elbow and reach it back up. And make sure you pull your belly button up and in so you're using your abs, core muscles. Inhale up and exhale, pull, feel it. Beautiful. And hold, hold, hold. And to the side. Let's work on the sides of the waistline. Lengthen through your hips. Lengthen up through the wet rib cage. That's it. Now, as you lift up, then you're gonna round your back and round your tummy. Pull your tummy in like a C. Really pull in those abs and lift it back up. That's it. Inhale here. And curl. That's it. Come on, really hollow out those abs. And one more. Inhale up and hollow out your abs. Pull that belly button up and in. Make it pull it in skinny. That's it. Okay. And now try right now a little bit of a pose. This is called T-stand if you can. If not, place the one leg down and hold. That's it. Go to the next level. Challenge yourself this year. Come on, give it all you got. Challenges help me change the body, change the muscles to make them stronger. Okay, and let's go to the other side. Lift up first. Hold it up here. Lift and lengthen through the spine. Inhale up and really pull in those abs. Pull it in, belly button in, and come back up. Inhale. Hollow out your abs. Pull it in like a C, up and in the abs. One more time. We're training your abs to pull in, not pooch out. Pull in your abs, belly button towards the spine, and lift up. Beautiful. Hold it up there. Hold it up. That's it. And now, if you can, try the next level to a T-stand. Hold. That's it. Pull your abs up and in. Pull your tummy in. Squeeze your buttocks together. Squeeze your inner thighs together. Hold it there. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Okay, now it's time to do a roll down. So sit up nice and tall, roll down one vertebrae at a time, pull one knee up and hold. Single leg stretch and switch and switch. Chin is up. That's it. Use your abdominals, hold it up there. Beautiful. And now if you can, we're gonna strengthen and lengthen the legs. Lengthen the legs. Hold it. Breathe. Beautiful. Two more. And last one, we twist. Bicycles. Twist. Flatten that belly. Belly button, push into the ground. Hollow out. That's it. Use your abdominals. Two more. Last one. And release. And now slowly place your hands underneath your hips, lift your legs up and do little baby scissors. That's it, scissors. Straighten your legs if you can. That's great. Now, slowly lift your neck and shoulders off the ground, your head, and bring it on down. Bring it on down. Scissor, scissor. That's it. Come back up. Come all the way back up. That's it. And one more time, take it down. Use your abdominals. The core, the Pilates movement is in the abs. Okay, and hold it. Relax. That's it. Bring your knees to your chest. And now place your hands on your thighs. And now lift your buttocks up. Place your hands down and hold it up. Lift one leg off the floor if you can. And baby lifts. Hold it, hold it. Open up through the chest. Stomach is in. And release. The other leg comes up. Come on, you could do it. Lift it, give it a try. And relax. Hold your hips together now. Knees together, toes together, and hold it up. Hip side to side. That's it. And now slowly roll up. And take a nice deep cleansing breath together. Inhale and exhale. Give yourself a big hand. You did it. Proud of you.